Finally ay nagsalita na si Bea Alonzo hinggil sa tunay na estado ng relasyon nila ni Pure Gold Prize Club President Vincent Co. Sa panayam kay Bea sa GMA Gala 2025 na ginanap last Saturday, August 2, kinumpirma na ng aktres ang relasyon nila ni Vincent. I think it's very obvious that we're together, ang pag-amin ni Bea nang tanungin kung dating ba sila ni Vincent. Follow-up na tanong ng GMA reporter, and you're happy? Sagot naman ng aktres, yes, I'm very happy. And I think, that's all I can share. Naiintindihan naman daw niya ang curiosity ng mga tao sa kanyang love life bilang public property siya. Ups and the downs of my love life, I understand the curiosity but I think I don't wanna say that people ruin beautiful things, but I think, the most beautiful things are the ones kept private, saad ni Bea. Samantala, solong rumampa ang aktres sa blue carpet ng GMA Gala wearing a muted pink gown by Elisab. Say niya sa blue carpet interview, this year I really wanted to have an understated elegance type of look. I really wanted to embrace my feminine energy, hence the very flowy dress tonight. Tinanong ng isa sa mga hosts na si Tim Yap kung ikakasal na siya at natatawang sagot ni Bea, alam mo yung internet is always like a few chapters ahead of the actual thing that's happening. Dagdag pa niya, I'm enjoying life. Ano ang say niyo sa balitang ito?